Welcome back to the channel, guys. Okay, so we have to discuss something super important that a lot of us just don't seem to get, and school especially doesn't help us in seeing this more often, okay? And that's living life that we really should be living. Now, from the get-go at elementary school, we're taught that we should be going to school, getting good grades, get our high school diploma or whatever, go to college right after that, get our bachelor's degree, master's degree, whatever it is, get a good job, start saving up for our retirement in our jobs with our 401ks, and basically just spend the rest of our lives in that job just to finally retire at the age of 65 or 70. And then you can start enjoying your life. You can start spending all the money that you've been constantly saving up for. And I don't know about some of you guys, but that doesn't just seem like a legit plan, like that doesn't seem logical. You're telling me I should be wasting 40 to 50 years of my life just to finally be able to enjoy it when I'm old, wrinkly, and probably barely able to walk like that. I don't know about you guys, but that's not how I want to live my life, okay? I want to be able to enjoy my life in my 30s, 40s, the way I want it, with the money that I have, without having to wait till I'm 60 just to enjoy it. And it's really important that some of you start realizing this, because otherwise you're just gonna be stuck at your job, at your office job, warehouse job, whatever it is. You're just gonna spend it miserably all day for the rest of your life, when you should be traveling the world, exploring things, trying different things, trying food in Spain, Paris, Tokyo, wherever the hell you want to go. You should be able to enjoy that now. We shouldn't have to follow this traditional path that we've been taught since we were little. Again, guys, that's just not the way life should be meant to live, And to even begin to start imagining something like this, you have to realize that you got to do more than just working at your job to possibly achieve this. You have to start investing, maybe starting a business, whatever it is. You have to start doing something different in order to achieve something like this, okay, guys? Even if it takes you 10 to 15 years, I mean, that's nothing compared to 40 years, 50 years, all right? So guys, start now, Start investing into maybe some stocks, real estate, a business. Again, guys, get yourself in a position where you don't have to worry about money, and you can start living the life you want. Now, obviously, again, it's not gonna be something that's done overnight. This could take a few years, but it beats the hell out of just enjoying your life at 60. That's honestly stupid, okay? We're not meant to just live 40, 50 years paying bills. That's not the way life should be meant to be lived, guys, okay? And the sad part is that's how most people see it. You work at your job just to pay off your water, your housing. I mean, you're barely making meets end just to pay off the bills. So start doing something now, guys, so that you can enjoy yourself in the next 10 years at least. And whatever it is that you decide to choose, make sure you go at it hard with all your effort and time. And I guarantee it'll pay off in the long run, guys. Because not being able to enjoy life in your early 20s, 30s, that's just not it, guys. That just doesn't make sense to me. So anyways, guys, that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. As always, if you like this video, be sure to give it a like, and let me know what you guys think in the comment section down there below. How do you see life? Are you okay with the traditional working for 40, 50 years and then enjoying it later on? Or do you want to be different than that, You want to actually start enjoying it now. And as always, guys, if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe. The little button's down there, so make sure you're hitting that also as well. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.